Hello buddy, thanks and welcome to Lake Eland Game Reserve. Yeah, bloody amazing. We're on the Bushveld Trokkie over here, taking a little safari tour over here, looking at all the wild and dangerous animals. And here's Preston. Hello Preston. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Welcome to Lake Eland Game Reserve. They've even got bloody zip lines here. Yeah, that was a bloody natural one. I'm here with King. Can you see that? Yeah, we're doing a zip line thing. Oh, my dog, chickadee move. Bloody beautiful, isn't it? Well, if your heart doesn't sit by your throat, you can loop over the suspension bridge. Just look at that. Yeah. Okay, Alex, now we're going to go a little bit of extreme sports here. My helmet's on, bro. You're going to go down the gravel road over here, leave some bike marks in the ground path there, bro. So, yeah, just check this move, eh? I don't come back, bro, you know, like bailed somewhere. I turned myself into a ball, like they said, or my ball, or... Okay. And obviously the best way to end the day is with a braaitjie next to the lake met 'n koue enetjie. Lake Eland Game Reserve. Bloody amazing.